Welcome students of class 12th commerce for subject accountancy. Today my topic is calculation of profits, turnover or sales basis method. Turnover or sales basis method. In some kinds of business, sales are not made uniformly throughout the year. That is, firm doing business for apples, coolers, air conditioners, etc. On the death of any partner, decision partner's profit will be calculated on the basis of proportion of sales figures of some previous years and profit figure of the same year. If we multiply sales up to the date of death by this proportion, we can get estimated profits of the firm till the death of the deceased partner. On that basis, deceased partner's share can be calculated. The deceased partner's share is credited to his capital account. The same amount is shown on asset side of the balance sheet as profit and loss suspense account. Dear students, we have a numerical example here. In a partnership of A, B and C, sales for the year 2010 were rupees 2 lakh and profit for the same period was rupees 20,000. If sales till date of death were rupees 50,000, then the executors of deceased partner shall get rupees 1,667, which can be worked out as under. If sales were rupees 2 lakh, profit was rupees 20,000. If sales were rupees 50,000, profit will be rupees 5,000. How? Because rupees 20,000, which is the profit for the year 2010, by rupees 2 lakh, which is the total sales for the year 2010, into rupees 50,000, which is the sale till death of the partner, deceased partner. This all, if we calculate, it is equal to rupees 5,000. 20,000 by 2 lakh into 50,000, after calculation, this is equal to rupees 5,000. Deceased partner's share shall be rupees 5,000 into one among the three partners, that is one deceased partner. How his share will be? Total three partners and one deceased partner, 5,000 into 1 by 3. This is equal to rupees 1,667, which we have already given in the question. It is what will be the solution, what will be the share of the deceased partner. And today we learn how we calculate sales basis method or turnover method. Here we calculate the share of the deceased partner. Dear students, in previous lecture we learned calculation of profit through time basis method, and today we saw the one more method, that is sales basis method or turnover method. Inshallah, tomorrow we will be with the next topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz.